you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaitlin. If you're new, today we have a big makeup declutter, clean out that I try to do every single year. So I'm going to be going through all of my old makeup products and deciding if they continue to serve me or if I should get rid of them or donate them or whatnot. So I just want to take an inventory of all of my makeup and kind of see where I am. I made this video last year and the year before around this time period, so I think it's just a good practice to do this once a year or so. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, I typically make videos on fashion trends, I review makeup products, I do a lot of travel vlogs, so be sure to check those out, and let's go ahead and jump into the rest of this video. So this is what we're working with in here first. I just have a bunch of different makeup and beauty products. It's a little messy. I honestly haven't organized this in a hot minute. We also have some products up here, and then I have products beneath my sink that we'll get to in a minute. So let's start with this little round spinny thing, Lazy Susan, I don't know what you want to call it, that I have from TJ Maxx. So let's see what we still need in here. Now, immediately I know that I want to throw away this Out of Trouble Origins mask. I have not used this in probably 2 years. My acne is a lot more well controlled now, so I just simply do not use this mask. Now, some of these products I am going to put in my box for products empties if I feel like I've used them enough to give a review. So I am going to put this one in there because there's probably about this much left in the product, so I definitely used it a lot, but I just really don't need this product lying around. However, I am going to keep my Purity face mask by Philosophy. I still do use this mask from time to time. I definitely want to keep my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I do use this occasionally. It's not my primary concealer, but I use it. Tweezers we want to keep. Now, this product is pretty dried up. It's this Stila eyeshadow gloss, so I'm going to throw this away. I can't also remember the last time I reached for that. Same thing with this Wander Beauty brow product. It's pretty dried up and it was kind of too dark for me anyway. I feel really bad about getting rid of this Lawless Beauty liquid lip, but I just don't like it. I don't like how nude it is. It's just not a product that I really ever wear. It's just not flattering on my skin tone. Definitely want to keep my Wet n Wild eye primer. Again, it's not a product that I reach for every day, so that's why these certain products are not in my makeup bag, but from time to time I may pick up this product. And the top portion here are just brushes, these little eyebrow razors, and like more eyebrow or facial hair trimmers. So I'm not going to get rid of any of those. I definitely still use all of those. I have just so many of these little things. When you buy a pack of them, it always comes in like 3 or 4. Oh, this e.l.f. product, this clear brow lash like setting thing. I think I'm also going to get rid of this. I feel like there's not much in it and I don't really reach for this. I just like to use my MAC eyebrow pencil. I don't really favor these liquidy products. I think they're kind of messy and they look really harsh if you have light eyebrows. We still have some more of this e.l.f. makeup sponge cleaner. I'm going to keep that. My MAC Prep Plus Prime spray. Definitely want to hold on to that. These are random like attachments for my water pick. I don't use them regularly, but I don't think I should throw those away. Oh, I have a little mini MAC Fix Plus Prime spray. I will hold on to that as well. Oh, this Hourglass Veil Primer. I think it broke me out. And I don't really reach for this, but maybe I'll try this again since my skin's not as oily anymore, so I will hold on to that. So far I think we've decluttered about 3 or 4 items, which is pretty good. And now I have like so much more room in this, which we can fill with other things in my cupboard. Okay, I definitely want to put some of these razors in here. I do have these razors right here. They're so cheap. And I feel like they just cut me up, but I don't want to completely get rid of them in case I really need them at some point, but I feel like they just aren't very good. I don't know if the razors are going to work in here. Okay, we have this primer that I just picked up recently from TJ Maxx. It's from First Aid Beauty, and it is a hydrating primer, safe for sensitive skin. So I'll put that in here along with the mask. And we need like some smaller products in the front end. Okay, I grabbed this other little thing that I have here, and let's try to condense these. I'm gonna move this retinol from Neutrogena into this thing over here so I can just use it more often, because that is a product I would like to reach for more. Oh, this Colourpop liquid lip. So low. I remember I loved it, but I never use this anymore, so we're pitching this. Definitely very old and dried up. Same thing with this Becca primer. It really broke me out, and I'm getting rid of it because I just have memories of breaking out after using this. The Ordinary Lactic Acid. I never use this in my skincare. I think it's time to say goodbye. I have this little Clinique All About Eyes Depuffing Serum. I pretty much use my Kiehl's eye cream or It Cosmetics one, so we're gonna get rid of this too. I do want this Neutrogena moisturizer. I want to keep this on hand, so I will keep this here. Joe's Rose Face Oil. I'm gonna throw that away. I think that's just asking for a breakout. Glow Recipe toner. I remember using this once and I liked it, so I am gonna hold on to it. I have another eye primer from Lorac. I definitely don't need any more eye primers, that's for sure. Oh, we're gonna declutter these Colourpop liquid lips as well. Wow, I have really gotten rid of a lot of products. Okay, I figured out how I can put the razors. I can just put them in this thing, which I think works a lot better. So I'm gonna pitch this Clinique eye cream as well. It looks so old and crusty. Why am I holding on to that? As well as this Burt's Bees Pomegranate lip. I just really don't use Burt's Bees chapsticks ever. I don't really like them. I don't really like that smell of honey. This is a lip product from Buxom, but I never reach for this, so we're getting rid of it. Alright, look how nice and decluttered this looks. It is a sad day, but I am going to get rid of this Hemp's Sponge Sugar and Vanilla Bean Moisturizer. I recently used this, and it gave me red markings like all on my wrists, and I definitely think I'm allergic to this, so I have no need to be holding on to this product, which is a shame because I really like the smell of it. Now we have this little green basket. I have a Philosophy Purity Moisturizer. I will hold on to this. I feel like that could be good for travel. I have a random eye sharpener. Probably should hold on to that as well. These Clinique moisturizers for under the eyes. I just don't think I should keep this. I haven't used this. I've probably had this product for 5+ years. It's probably not even valuable to anyone else, so let's pitch. I feel like if you've had a product for more than 2 years, it's probably okay to get rid of it. This Cover FX powder. It's so hard to get out, and I have like 3 Derma Blend powders that I've been switching between, so no thanks. Pure Grace by Philosophy. I don't use this. I think we're gonna get rid of it. Trader Joe's Toasted Marshmallow Body Butter. Yeah, no. Oh my gosh, I've never, see, sometimes you find stuff that you actually want, like this Natasha Denona Retro Palette eyeshadow single. I love Natasha Denona eyeshadow. I will definitely be holding on to this and actually moving this to my makeup bag. This is like a random moisturizer that I have. It's from L'Oreal. Let me look at it. I feel like this could be good. I don't know, it's kind of old. But I want to hold on to it. We'll hold on to this one. Okay, and now since we have so much more room, we can move this Urban Decay setting spray down here instead of having it like way at the top of my closet. Do you guys say closet or cupboard? I feel like in Pittsburgh or like the Midwest, a lot of people say cupboard, but I feel like closet is what most people say in other parts of the country. So I wanted to move some products from some other areas over into here. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. I used to use this like multiple times a week, but like I said, my acne is pretty under control, so I only use this occasionally. So I think it can go into this little thing. as well as this collagen from the Inky List. I use this occasionally but not daily. And then this moisturizer from The Ordinary. Again, it's kind of like a backup moisturizer. Okay, again, we are moving some more products around. This Bye Bye foundation. I think it could fit in here potentially. Oh my god, that's perfect. Also this little Carmex. Go on the side there. And these white strips. I don't know, I don't think this will work. But overall, I feel like this is so much better, and I can actually access products that I like literally use and like this. Like, I'm not going to wear a sunscreen foundation every day, but occasionally I will reach for that. And the same thing with like a hydrating primer. So these are more like seasonal products as opposed to everyday, but I really like how this turned out. Very nice and organized. And I feel like you also don't have to spend a ton of money on these organizational containers. Like, I just got this at TJ Maxx. You don't need to go to the container store and spend hundreds of dollars on these types of products because, I mean, I don't know why you would want to do that. That's just me though. This is another product I'm getting rid of. I have so many mousses and I don't need 3 mousses. I can't even tell you the last time I used mousse. So we're gonna pitch this one from L'Oreal and keep the other 2. Okay, so now we're going to declutter my medicine cabinet. These are more products that I use on an everyday basis. I already pulled a couple from the top shelf off and put them into that cabinet over there, but let's declutter. There is one more thing that I want to declutter, and that is this thing right here. Again, it's one of these things from TJ Maxx that has these like pull-out drawers, and I have a lot of random products in here that I don't use on a daily basis. Okay, so it's just easier to sit like this and kind of declutter from here. So I have this beautiful Burberry liquid lip that I've never used, but it is really dark, but I don't know. I only paid $4.97 for it, but I feel like I really need to use it at least once. So we're gonna hang on to that. Like random toothpaste samples from my dentist. This thing right here is really a catch-all. I have these 2 lipsticks I don't really ever reach for. This Becca lipstick, it's pretty dark, but I don't know, I feel bad throwing it away. Definitely keeping Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I'm wearing that today actually, but yeah, I feel like, okay, I'm getting rid of this Taylor Swift perfume. It's Taylor Swift Incredible Things, and it does smell really good, but I like never use it. It's a little strong, and it's time to say goodbye. Now this is really what I wanted to do, was clean out the inside of this drawer. And we have like this MAC, Pro Eye Makeup Remover. Oh, that's interesting. Never mind, I'm not gonna throw that away. But yes, I'm getting rid of these flossers now that I have a water pick. Definitely throw this away. Now we have this big thing, but that's decluttering for literally another day. But I want to see if I can move some of these samples that I more want to try out into this thing. Okay. I will move these Tatcha products in here because those are samples that I want to use. I'm also going to move some of these perfumes, maybe. Oh, a Tula eye cream, yes. Drunk Elephant. Rare Beauty. Oh my god, a little Rare Beauty blush. I didn't know I had that. Slay. A moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. Oh, maybe I'll actually use this stuff. Kate Somerville, a moisturizing cleanser. Ooh. Oh, this is like a little brush. This would actually be so good for my purse. Okay, we're decluttering this Hourglass Immaculate Foundation. I haven't used this in years. I just hang on to it because I love this product for so long, and sometimes I would refer to it in videos, but it's time to say bye-bye. Okay, I feel like that's as good as this is going to get. I could definitely add a few more products in here, but I actually don't have the products to add right now, which is probably a good thing. So yeah, that is my decluttering and makeup cleanup. I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it relaxing, motivating, whatever. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!